Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, How Coffee with Success. Today, we're going to be talking about how fast can you make money with affiliate marketing. Let's get started, everyone. So I'm adjusting here the screen. Let's go on the second slide. How long does it take? Affiliate marketing will take anywhere from 6 to 8 months to start producing a consistent income, and more than 1 year to be making a full-time income. And that's only if things go right or the right way. This is a general statement from articles out there on the internet. Some people can start making money as little as in a couple of weeks or the next day, depending on how advanced you are and how your setup is. But if we're talking about somebody from scratch, no background, there are tricks of the trade to help you get there. But if we're talking about a consistent salary or income, generating income that will surpass the majority of you, it's going to take a little time, but it's not going to take 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, nothing like that, guys. You can start making money as soon as in a couple of weeks, right? But we're talking about enough money to start generating so that you can start thinking about, you know what, I have enough money, I can leave my current job. That's what we're talking about. What holds many affiliate marketing newcomers from ever earning their first commission is the idea that they need to be making money from day one, right? It takes a little time to do it. Like any business you're going to start is going to take a little bit of time. The truth is, making money online, especially with affiliate marketing, can be a slow process because there's a lot of things you need to learn. It depends what is your learning curve. So let's go on to the thing next. Why does affiliate marketing take so long? That's what we're going to be reviewing. We're going to be talking about that in the next few minutes. So let's start. Let's think about this for a second. You want a business that gives you ample free time, no boss to answer to, unlimited income potential, time, location, and financial freedom, and much more. As I see it, affiliate marketing is a business worth fighting for. Yes, it is, guys. There's a lot of articles out there. I'm just trying to encapsulate whatever I read so far and put it in just a few slides so it can give you an idea. This is not a deep dive by any means. 3 reasons why it typically takes about 6 to 8 months for your affiliate business to take off. Reason number 1, you need to get traffic. Reason number 2, you need to perfect your offers. And reason number 3, you need to learn how to do both. So that is an art and a skill, art and science that you need to start acquiring. A lot of you are naturally gifted and will gravitate and will start making money right away. For us, the other side, it takes a little time. Reason number 1, all right, let's deep dive. To make money with affiliate marketing, you're going to need to build a website that gets a lot of traffic. You don't need much traffic, but you do need some, right? Starting and building a new website also takes time. You need to pick a niche, whatever you're into, make those thought decisions, or, you can trim that learning curve if you've already been thinking about it for a while, right? If this has been on your mind for a while, I want to do this, I want to go into cosmetics, I want to go into hunting gear, I want to be doing lectures, I want to sell supplements, whatever it is, you already kind of know what you're gravitating towards. If this is from the beginning, then it's going to take a little research to try to find that. But this is not something you should be discouraged. You need to fill your website with content, which takes time, right? You might want to hire somebody to kind of trim that, but then we're talking about overhead costs, right? You need to wait for Google to index you and rank your content accordingly. You also need to learn how to package and sell your offer. We'll talk about that here or later. Reason number 2, you need to perfect your offer. What to sell? Shouldn't take too long. Simply pick a niche with a product and go find an audience, traffic, right? That would be interested in buying. Learn how to sell. What does that say? Learning how to sell will take you some time. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a little off today. Had a rough night. Reason number 3, you need to learn how to do both. The last reason I will give you as to why you can't expect to make money with this method on your first date is that you need to spend time, money, and energy learning the process. Getting traffic and selling a product are two of the most highly paid, sought after skills in the online business world. Absolutely, guys. Copywriting, some of these guys are charging $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 to copyright. If you have these skills, you really have the key of the kingdom type of deal on the online kingdom, right? I hate seeing affiliate newcomers who get into this business with no training and no idea what they're doing, only to fail and then turning around saying something along, this is a scam, this is not, this is too hard, this is not for me. Guys, whatever, remember the slide up here, we're gonna go back to it. We're investing our time so you can have ample free time at the end of the rainbow, right? You're not gonna be having a boss, you're gonna be your own boss. There is a option of have unlimited income potential. You don't have a salary cap. You don't have to prove yourself that year and get a 3% raise or 5%, whatever it is. And sometimes it comes out to like 50 cents or $1, depending what you're making on a yearly basis. You have time, location, and freedom. You can move around, you can go on vacation, you can do it from wherever you're at. You can go visit family you haven't seen for a while, and you can still work from there. I'm not saying that you spend your whole time working there, but what I'm saying is that you will be in control of your time. And this is gonna be your baby, right? You're gonna be taking care of it. So yes, it is worth it. Let's go back down. We were here. We were talking about reason number 3. And the other one, let me move this around here. Stick with it and keep creating content. Hopefully this part has given you a better idea of what it takes to make money with your niche site. It's completely normal to have a low traffic and income through your first 6-12 months. You need a strong base of content if you ever want your traffic to grow in a significant way. So do me a favor, if you can write a comment on there. In your mind, how long do you think it's going to take for you to start supplementing your current income? And then part B, how long are you expecting to make money in terms of 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, 3 months, 4 months? I don't know. Let us know what your thoughts are, and maybe I can put a video in compilating how to help you get there with some strategies or techniques or shortcuts that are out there. It is a possibility, guys, but we're talking long-term, so you can quit your day job later on and have that financial freedom. That is the ultimate main goal for many people. For you, it might be, hey, I just want another $100, $1,000 a month. That's fine. We can get you there. And hit the subscribe button, hit a like, let us know what your thoughts are. Thank you very much. Until next video.